Okay, on this particular course or section, we are going to learn how to download and visualize event log files. So how can we download an event log files? There are three ways described here. You can direct download using the event log file browser application, which we are going to do in this video. You can also do a CURL script or a Python script, but this is more a complicated thing to be done. I can do it, but I don't want to complicate this whole video. So you can also ask a developer if this is a necessity on your organization to automate, to audit stuff. What's going on this month? Who's downloading a whole swag of data this month? Who is doing what and stuff like that. You want to be an investigator or a detective, you can do that and do a whole automation on the event log files and analysis. Or you can also do a apps, install apps here. There's a Spunk app, there's a Fair Warning app, which are usually expensive security apps, but you can also do that and analyze everything, like who's logging in, stuff like that. All right, so on this particular video, we are just going to do the simple example using the event log file browser application. So I'm going to pop this up, and then I'm going to go production login to our Trailhead login here. And here we go, we are now logged in, student Brave Wolf blah blah blah, and I'm going to change the date here. Last 30 days, apply, boom. Now you can see all this event type: logout, Apex execution, Apex REST API login, and logout again, Lightning interaction, Lightning performance. So depends on what you want to analyze, you can download what you need. So what is this thing? You can download event log file with CURL shell script. Let's try that guy. Ooh. Oh, it's just gonna do a shell script. Interesting. Nice. So you can just run this if you know what you're doing on your web host server, or if you have an Apple or a Mac, you can do this from your terminal as well. You know what you want to play? Let's try it. Does it work? Boom. Huh. It doesn't work. Anyways, I don't want to confuse you, but now I'm curious. What doesn't work? Event not found. Interesting, hey? So if I close this, event not found. Let's try an older event. Let's try number 2 here, which is this one. Let's try this. I'm just curious now. Bear with me. You can play around if you have a Mac as well. So I'm gonna copy this whole thing, CURL, and copy it like that. If you want to do some automation, you can, and boom, event not found. Anyways, it doesn't work, but you can also download it. We're supposed to just download it using this download button here. So if I want to download this guy, hit download. There, that works, right? So open that. It will open in an Excel spreadsheet, and you can play around with it. If you're a developer, you can geek around with it and just investigate. I like looking this kind of data. It's just my thing. And so basically this is what you will get, and you can play around with that. Pretty impressive, Salesforce. Now what can you do? You can also download with the CURL, Python, automate stuff, and yeah, it's not much of an admin thingy, but the functionality is here just in case somebody broke into your Salesforce org, but I pray it's not gonna happen ever. And data was stolen and you need to investigate stuff. The functionality is here. You can investigate stuff. If something needs to be investigated. Okay, now let's do the quiz. I've already pre-do it. Say you are interested in downloading a single event log file. What is the best way for this task? Direct download, like we just did here. This is direct download, right? That's direct download. Event log files are downloaded in which format? CSV, which is a comma separated value, right? What is the benefit of using a script to download? You can automate stuff, right? Schedule it, automate it. Who can help you to automate? I can help you, or an integration specialist. That's it. We're done with the event monitoring. So the basic takeaway is you know the functionality is here. Just in case you would ever need to use it, or if you're working in a data sensitive organization, I don't know, banks or government agencies, stuff like that, or the IRS maybe, or the CRA, or the FBI, or the CIA, or the space agency, I don't know, and you need way more in-depth monitoring, then you would use this on a daily basis. But just a simple small business, or a small organization, or smaller organization, you won't be playing with this too much. Okay, with that being said, I'll see you on the next section. Bada bing, bada boom, let's get the badge. Boom. Woohoo! New badge! I'll see you on the next section. Hit that subscribe button and explore new Trailhead grounds and learn to implement the most useful and popular apps on the Salesforce App Exchange. And do yourself a favor, like this video, and you'll be surprised on how much more you understand when watching this same video after liking it. Don't take my word. Watch this one more time after you like the video and see it for yourself. Bada bing, bada boom.